Let's discuss about the cardiac muscles. The muscles of the heart are called cardiac muscles. They also have stripes on them, so they are also involuntary in nature. Can you control your heart? Can you tell your heart now to beat and now not to beat, or to pump the blood? When to pump the blood and when not to pump the blood? No, you can't do this. So the cardiac muscles are not under our control. So they are also involuntary in nature. Now let's discuss about the working of muscles. Muscles work by only pulling on a bone. They can't push. You can see clearly in this picture that each movable joint has two sets of muscles, one to pull the bones up and other to pull the bone back. You can't push the bone. One muscle is required to pull the bones upwards and the other muscle is required to put the bones back. So this is how the muscles work. For example, our arm movement is controlled by two muscles, biceps and triceps. The bicep muscles above the arm bone raise the arm, and tricep muscle below the arm lower the arm. You can also try this, that when we pull up our arm, the biceps which are joined to the arm in front become short. Just do it now. When you pull up your arm, the biceps which are joined to the arm in front, it becomes shorter, and pull up the lower arm bomb. And when we lower our arm, जैसे हम अपने आर्म को नीचे की तरफ करते हैं, our triceps which are at the back become shorter. वो जो पीछे की तरफ से हमारी triceps है, it becomes shorter and pull our lower arm bone. Now the next is, how can we keep our bones and muscles in a healthy position? For keeping your muscles healthier, you need to do exercise regularly, as if your muscles are not used for a long time, they tend to become, as the more we use a muscle, the bigger and stronger it gets. So you should exercise regularly to make your bones and muscles grow strong and healthy. You can see here the athletes, wrestlers, and boxers, they have well developed muscles. Why? Because of their regular exercise. As I have told you, that the more you use your muscles, the bigger and stronger it gets. The next very important thing that you should remember, that you should take care of, is that for the health of the skeletal system, our posture, the way we sit or stand, is also very important. I have seen many times in class that many students, they don't sit straight, they just sit in a very abrupt manner. So, this way of sitting, bad posture such as slouching, hunching, or slumping, creates problem in the spine and other parts of the skeleton system. So, you should always walk erect and sit straight. I hope you remember when you are sitting.